So I decided to, I'm going to put the old timing chain on here just while I am working on it. Because I slid the camshaft in here, but as I move the engine around it tends to kind of fall out. And actually the engine is sitting right now where it needs to be timed right. The mark on the crankshaft is up right here, and the number 1 cylinder is at the top, and the mark on the cam drive gear is facing toward the mark on the crank gear. So basically this old crank, this old timing chain is wore out, but it'll do if I put it on here just to hold things in place. So what I'm going to do is just loosen these 3 screws, and basically the way to put one of these on is just to take it off. It sounds like an oxymoron. The way to put it on is to take it off, but to get this chain on here, I need to take the gear off, put the chain on it, and then put it on the lower part, and then slide it back onto the cam on the upper part. I believe I can get this off of here like that. And I can put this chain in here like this. Put these two right together like that. That way, this won't keep kind of sliding out of the camshaft journals. Then when I get my new timing chain, it won't take much to swap it out with this one. What I'm planning to do today is put the other 2 pistons in it. And I could put the heads on it, put the lifters in it, put the intake on it. Before I do any of that though, I mean, I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. You know, once I want to have the part rather than sort of assemble it and then come back and unassemble it and reassemble it. So basically I'm just going to focus today on getting the next 2 pistons in. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Piston number 5 will be the next one to go in. I may try setting y'all up on this thing over here where you can kind of look down on the motor. I had a view from that angle the other day, and I thought that looked pretty good. Like a pretty good way to be able to see what we were doing here. So I might go get a little bit different camera holder for that, so that I can attach y'all up high and have you look down. So I'll go get that and I'll be right back.